In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Doordash payouts as a dasher or merchant, whether you deliver with Doordash or manage a store on the platform. Knowing exactly where to find payout details helps you plan, reconcile, and stay on top of cash flow. I'll walk you through the simple paths in the apps you already use, and I'll share a few quick tips so the numbers you see make sense at a glance. Let's start with Dashers. Open the Dasher app. From the home screen, tap the Earnings tab. This is your hub for pay information, and it shows both daily and weekly totals. You can scroll through recent days to get a snapshot of what you made, or switch to the weekly view to see everything grouped by pay period. When you want the full story for a particular week, select that week and tap View Payout Details. Here you'll see an itemized breakdown of your base pay, tips, promotions like peak pay or challenges, and any adjustments. You'll also see the deposit method tied to that payout. A handy tip here, you can track fast pay, your standard weekly deposit, and Dasher Direct transactions right from the Earnings tab, so you don't have to bounce between different places. If something looks off, double check that you've selected the correct week, refresh the page, and remember banks may take extra time to post funds depending on the day and holiday schedule. Now for merchants, log into the Doordash merchant portal in your browser. Once you're in, go to Financials, then choose Payouts. This page centralizes all your deposits. You can view each payout, filter by date range, status, or store location if you manage multiple sites, and export the data for your bookkeeping. Exports are helpful for reconciling with your accounting software, reviewing fees, and matching deposits to bank statements. If you're filtering and not seeing what you expect, widen the date range to include the payout processing date, not just the sales dates. Before we wrap up, a few best practices. Keep your app or browser updated so labels and totals display correctly, and use a stable internet connection when loading reports. If you recently updated bank details, allow processing time for the change to take effect before expecting the next deposit to route there. That's it. You now know exactly where to find and understand your Doordash payouts as a dasher and as a merchant.